Speak English with teacher. Listen carefully and repeat after me. How's it going? Did you have a good weekend? Hey, long time no see. How have you been? Hi. What have you been up to lately? Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. How's your day going so far? Hey, what's new with you? I'm glad to see you again. Hi. How have you been since we last met? What's happening? Anything exciting today? Hey, how's everything at work? It's been a while since we last talked. Good to see you. You look great. How's life treating you these days? Hey, what's going on here? Hi. How's your week been so far? Can you help me with this task today? I don't understand what you are trying to say. Could you repeat that sentence one more time, please? I'm not sure if this is correct yet. That sounds great. I really want to try it. I totally disagree with your opinion on this matter. I completely agree with everything you just said here. I'm looking forward to seeing you next weekend. That's interesting. Tell me more about your new idea. I'm just kidding. Don't take anything seriously now. What do you think about this new proposal today? That makes sense. Now I understand what you mean. I see what you mean and understand completely. I honestly have no idea what is happening here. It doesn't matter. We can try it again later. I can't wait to see the movie tonight. That's too bad. I'm really sorry for you. No problem. I can help you with this. It's up to you. You decide what happens next. I'm on my way. I will arrive very soon. Excuse me, can I ask you one question? I'm sorry for being late to this meeting. Thank you very much for helping me today. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. You're welcome. I'm happy to help you anytime. Could you please send me the correct file? Would you mind closing the window over there? I really appreciate it. Thank you for your help. That's very kind of you to do today. Pardon me, I didn't catch what you said. May I sit here next to you now? I'm afraid I cannot attend the meeting today. I would like a cup of coffee, please. Do you mind if I join you now? Please take a seat and make yourself comfortable. It's my pleasure to help you with this. How much is it for this item today? Excuse me, where is the bathroom around here? I'm lost. Can you help me find directions? Could you show me the way to somewhere? I need a taxi to the airport immediately. How far is it to the nearest supermarket? I'm looking for a good restaurant nearby today. What time does the museum open every morning? What time does this shop close this evening? Can I get a map of this city? Is it nearby or should we take transportation? I would like to book a room tonight. Do you have a menu in English language? Can I pay by card or only cash? I have a question about this task today. Can we discuss this report after the meeting? I'm ready for the presentation starting very soon. I need help solving this problem right now. Don't worry, I'll do my best for today. Can you explain this concept one more time? Let's work together on this project this week. If you like this video, click like and subscribe.